Oh, look. See, this is it. See, West Germany was controlled by the three main allies, British, French, US. The Soviets controlled the eastern side. Where's Berlin located? The city. Find it. So what's the problem? Whenever the Soviets said you're not coming into East Germany no more, they had to put the Berlin airlift into effect. Very cool.
There's C-47s in the background.
Artifacts from the Berlin airlifts.
Look, these are all the different types of planes that they use. This is the type of planes they use.
Yeah. Royal Air Force. Spirit's Return.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, look here, Head. The C-47, it says, was too small, so it was replaced by the C-54. Bigger aircraft, so they could hold more.
This is so cool. I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you.
Thanks. This is so cool.
Out in the wing. Imagine the turbulence. Just bombed out and burned away. It says don't sit on them, but very cool.
Alright, come on. So I almost got that one right. You dropped your board.
You can see the engines if you look at them.
Yeah?
They're big.
Emergency exit. Do not open when in motion. That's how it says. Sweet. Woo! Generally, this is a charger your dad would like to have. Oh my goodness. See the General Lee and the Confederate flag on top?
Yeah.
So it was the Dukes of Hazzard show. It was a TV show that was in the South, and they used this really fast charger with this paint design to kind of get out of trouble, elude the police. It was its own show. It was very popular, but the car is iconic. It's called the General Lee. Woo! That is mint. Mahogany wooden logs.
Look at the A-10 and the P-38. They even have guns at the AC-130.
Oh my goodness, they have every model here. Huh? Look, they even have subs over there in the middle by the soccer ball.
The AC-130 probably won't.
Do they?
Look at the
They look. They leave an independent return.
the Huey in the back, right beside the Apache.
Oh, they got an Apache. Oh my goodness. Oh, this guy had it. He does.
Predator drones, A-10, C-47s. They have everything.
Look, the Wright Flyer, the first one. There it is. How cool. Oh my goodness. These are like civilian ones here, right? All your jet airliners, your Boeings. Look at the sub, hon. Ohio class sub, Virginia class
They've got the
sub.
Black Hawk pistols, the Apache.
Oh, huh, there it is. That's the one from Franklin, isn't it? The C.
This,
C-47. C-47, is that what it is?
Look at that. That's on the
Very cool. I'll be honest, I've never been this close to a modern fighter. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, look, that is awesome. How cool, huh? Oh. got the Coast Guard here. Ah, they got the World War II plane out there. I did. We'll get it on tonight. Making a couple video clips too as we go. We'll put it on a video. Out of Franklin. Pretty good artwork.
January 14th. Yes.
North Africa, Italy, and Sicily. Said this one was. Did you sleep on that? Wheeling around. Cut it off. It's all right. That's a Mustang. I think you're right. I think it's a Black Hawk helicopter in essence, but it's Coast Guard. These babies are tough.
Hello.
Very cool.
How's it going, bud? Good morning.
Different rescue stuff like lights.
Yeah, we took it back over here.
Yeah. It is same setup, just taking off the military stuff.
This is our helicopter.
Rescue stuff there. It's the famous Idaho potato. Is it real? I don't know. It looks real. Look at that thing. I'd touch it. Is it real?
No, plastic is solid.
It's the Oscar Mayer wiener. Looks pretty luxurious inside, actually. Check out the monster truck. Very cool. Look at that lift. Is that good that you fit in there?
Dad, we can get in this.
How cool is that?
Dad, we can.
Yeah, it's like that.